So there's a new little toy inside your rooms at Disney resorts, and it's called Hey Disney. It works just like your home Alexa or your Google, and it's really neat. So if you have those at home, this will be easy for you to use, but I wanted to kind of show you what they have at the resort. Hey Disney, start the magic.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited to introduce you to our in-room interactive experience, Hey Disney. I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic during your stay, plus some tips to help along the way. For starters, please review the important information about the device and the Hey Disney experience that is displayed on your smart speaker. The button on the top of the device should be red, which means it's muted. To use the smart speaker, press the button to unmute it. To find out what Hey Disney can do today, just say, "Hey Disney, what can you do?" to see what's available. You can use this phrase anytime you want to get back to the menu. Once you're finished with a particular request and ready to move on to another, it's important to say, "Hey Disney, exit." This experience will evolve over time, with new features to help you get the most out of your stay. Have fun!
Hey Disney, good night.
Good night, pal. Say, Pluto, we should... Oh!
Hello, Mickey. Figaro and I are just calling to say goodnight.
Aw! Pluto and I were just gonna call you to wish you good night.
How sweet. Well, good night, Mickey. And good night, Pluto. And good night to you too, friend.
I wondered what happened to Bambi's friend Thumper the Rabbit. But I heard he lived happily ever after.
Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
My friend tried watching 101 Dalmatians on her smartphone but couldn't. Turns out the reception was spotty.
Hey Disney, play a soundscape.
Which world do you want to explore? Tell me to play the Frozen soundscape, or play the Lion King soundscape, or whichever one you want to hear. If you say surprise me, I'll choose one for you.
Surprise me.
Glad you asked. I think this soundscape could be a fun surprise. And if you need to close this soundscape, just say, "Hey Disney, stop."
Hey Disney, stop.
What a fabulous day! And tomorrow is going to be even better! Let's dream about it, shall we? Good night, sweetie.
Good night.